लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने जीएसएम डिस्कस किया था, जीएसएम का आर्किटेक्चर, फीचर्स, फ्रीक्वेंसी रेंजेस और इसके चैनल टाइप्स और जीएसएम फ्रेम स्ट्रक्चर. So that was all about GSM. Next topic is GPRS. GPRS is basically a general packet radio service that is a new era in wireless communication. So मुझे लगता है कि सभी को पता होगा जीपीआरएस की सर्विस सभी यूज कर रहे होंगे. यूज कर रहे हो सभी जीपीआरएस? जीपीएस सिस्टम यूज करते हो सभी?
यस मैम.
यस मैम.
किस लिए यूज करते हैं जीपीएस?
लोकेशन के लिए.
लोकेशन के लिए, यस. कैसे यूज करते हैं? एनी रफ आइडिया?
लैटिट्यूड लॉन्गिट्यूड देखते हैं शायद थिंक से.
Okay. Any other? Any other student who want to contribute into GPRS technology? Yes. जैसे कि अभी एक स्टूडेंट ने बताया कि हम लोकेशन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, जब भी आपने सपोज कोई अननोन लोकेशन पे ट्रेवल करना है, आपके पास अननोन रूट है, तो आप क्या करते हो? इस टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू आप अपना सोर्स पॉइंट और डेस्टिनेशन पॉइंट सेटअप करते हो. ठीक है, तो थ्रू ए जीपीएस मैप यू विल गेट द टोटल कवरेज डिस्टेंस इन किलोमीटर्स एंड द स्पेसिफिक रूट्स टू फॉलो फ्रॉम सोर्स पॉइंट टू डेस्टिनेशन पॉइंट. ठीक है, यही यूज करते हैं हम. So how this technology will take place into a different the architectural overview, how the GSM architecture is incorporated into a GPRS technology. ठीक है, in GPRS all the basic architecture of GSM network elements are used as such. ठीक है, with some added on components. ठीक है, that will facilitate the GPRS features with the GSM network elements. So in this presentation, in this lecture, we will cover the GPRS and its basic features, its network architecture, location management in GPRS, mobility management in GPRS, its logical channels, and the various applications of GPRS. So जो हमारे पास existing technology है, like the GSM technology and other technologies, they will allow a little time setup connection, and it has the data rate that is low in speed, about it is 9.6 kilobits per second. So there are some other drawbacks, like it has inefficient resource utilization for busty traffic. It is expensive for busty traffic, and it doesn't have packet transfer efficient techniques. So we will basically compare the features of GSM with the GPRS. GSM, in GSM, the data rate is basically 9.6 kilobits per second. GPRS supports high data rates. It has data rate from 14.4 to 115.2 kilobits per second. Modulation technique used in GSM is Gaussian minimum shift keying, and modulation technique used in GPRS is same, Gaussian minimum shift keying. Now the billing in GSM is provided the duration of connection. Okay, how much your call will last, that is the billing time of that particular call. In GPRS, the billing is regarding the amount of data transfer, how much data you have used to this GPRS connection. The types of connection in GSM is mainly the circuit switch technology, and in GPRS it is based on packet switch technology. So these are some comparison points between GSM and GPRS. Now, GPRS is defined as General Packet Radio Service. This is a new bearer service for GSM that improves and simplifies the wireless access to packet data networks. GPRS applies packet radio principle to transfer user data packets in an efficient way between the mobile station and the external packet data networks. So, through the help of GPRS technology, we will transfer the data packets. ठीक है, GSM में क्या करते थे हम? GSM टेक्नोलॉजी वाज बेस्ड ऑन वॉइस एंड डेटा सर्विस. ठीक है, तो उसमें हम अपना वॉइस सिग्नल, स्पीच सिग्नल ट्रांसफर करते थे और लो स्पीड डेटा ट्रांसफर करते थे, डेटा सिग्नल. GPRS में we will mainly transfer the data signals, and that data signals will be transferred in the form of packets from the it is the transfer between the mobile station MS and the any external GPRS network. So next part is about the network elements. GSM में कौन से नेटवर्क एलिमेंट्स हम यूज करते थे और GPRS में कौन से हमारे पास नेटवर्क एलिमेंट्स है जो यूज हो रहे हैं और एड ऑन एलिमेंट्स कौन से हैं. GSM में बेसिक एलिमेंट्स क्या थे आर्किटेक्चर के? MS था मोबाइल स्टेशन, BSS, BTS, BSC, MSC और MSC के सपोर्टिंग डेटाबेसेस लाइक VLR, HLR एंड AUC. ठीक है, ये वाले सारे हमारे नेटवर्क एलिमेंट्स थे GSM में. GPRS में सारे जो GSM के नेटवर्क एलिमेंट्स है वो यूज होंगे, जैसे कि मोबाइल स्टेशन, BTS, BSC. ठीक है, अब GPRS में एड ऑन जो नेटवर्क एलिमेंट्स हैं वो हैं GPRS सपोर्ट नोड्स. उसमें हम दो नोड्स यूज करेंगे. वन इज नोन एज GPRS सपोर्ट नोड SGSN, another is gateway support network, that is GGSN. ठीक है, these two elements are new to us. ठीक है, and they are used in GPRS architecture. Now the mobile station that was used in GSM is now upgraded into the GPRS technology as well. So in this, the function of mobile station is there is a new mobile station that is required to access the GPRS services. These terminals are backward compatible with the GSM for voice calls. BTS is basically a software upgrade into the existing base transceiver site of GSM network. BSC, the base station controller, it requires a software upgrade and the installation of new hardware that is known as packet control unit. ठीक है, जो हमारे पास GSM में existing BSC है. ठीक है, उस existing BSC में we will have a upgraded hardware component that is packet control unit, PCU. So in GPRS we will use a BSC with the PCU, packet control unit. So this packet control unit direct the data traffic to the GPRS network, and it can be separate hardware element associated with the BSC. तो जो भी हमने डेटा मूवमेंट करनी है, डेटा ट्रांसफर करना है थ्रू द BSC, we will transfer that data packets through a unit known as packet control unit, PCU. ठीक है, ये जो PCU है, it is also incorporated into BSC or it can be an individual hardware component associated with the BSC. उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट GPRS में सपोर्टेड एलिमेंट है, दैट इज GSNs, that is gateway support networks. GSN is gateway support networks. So for the deployment of GPRS technology, it requires the installation of new core network elements. Those new core network elements are known as SGSN, support gateway support networks, and GGSN, that is gateway support networks. And supported databases like HLR and VLR, जो कि ऑलरेडी GSM में यूज हो रहे थे, वो एज सच GPRS में भी यूज हो रहे हैं फॉर द entries of home location registers and visitor locations, and for local users and for roaming users. So these are the network elements that are deployed in GPRS technology from the GSM architecture. क्लियर है यहाँ तक सबको? यहाँ तक क्लियर है सभी को? यस, यहाँ तक क्लियर है? सभी को समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will show you the architecture first, GPRS architecture. This is the architecture of GSM. GSM architecture we have already discussed in the previous lecture, in which we are having mobile station, BTS, BSC, MSC, various databases like HLR, AUZ, VLR, ठीक है? Or we are having gateway support centers through this PSTN, ISDN and PDN networks. So this is the architecture overview of GSM. Now into this architecture, we will incorporate the GPRS technology. We will use some of the network elements of GSM and we will add some new network elements so that we are having a GPRS technology. This is the architecture of GPRS. Now in GPRS, we are having a large number of interfaces that are new to us. Now the previous network elements of GSM are, these are MS, mobile station, BTS, base transceiver stations, BSC, base station controller. The new elements that are added on with the GPRS are, these are the GGSN and SGSN. Now these elements are interfaced with the other elements, like they are having interface with the PLMN, that is public land mobile networks, interface with the PDN, that is packet digital networks, interfaces with the MSC and VLR and other registers. So there are other various interfaces through which they can interconnected with the other digital networks. The GGSN and SGSN, they are interfaced with the other network elements. The various interfaces are like the interfaces GB, GF, GS, GR, GN, GP, GC, GI. These are the network interfaces through which the various connections will be incorporated. This is a broader view of GPRS network. Fine. So left hand side पर you are having the GSM network elements. Right hand side you are having GPRS network and elements. So mobile stations are interfaced with the BTS through air interface known as UM interface, and BTS is interfaced with the BSC through interface known as ABC interface, and BSC is now interfaced with the GPRS network elements, like the BSC is interfaced with the SGSN, that we support. SGSN is support gateway system network. So it is the BSC is interfaced with the SGSN through an interface known as GB interface, and SGSN is interfaced with the gateway support network GGSN element of GPRS through an interface known as GN interface, and GGSN is interfaced with the other public land mobile networks through an interface known as GI interface. And when the SGSN and GGSN, these two GPRS elements will be interfaced with the home location register and other databases, then they are defined with the other interfaces known as GR interface, DC interface. So this is the interfaces diagram of GPRS.